Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through the process of listing your first product on Shopee. This includes adding details, uploading photos, and setting price. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, head over to the Product tab and click on Add New Product. The first step you'll take is to provide a clear and specific product title. This helps buyers understand what you're selling. For example, I will be entering stainless steel water bottle right here, 1 liter. Make sure your title includes keywords buyers might search for. Now let's add a description to it. Well, I've already done one earlier. Allow me to copy and paste it here. Just a very brief one. And of course, you can adjust it and obviously make it longer and more descriptive to appeal to your customers. Highlight features, benefits, and any important specifications here. A well-written description can make a big difference in converting viewers to buyers. Now, let's add some photos. Well, I've already have some photos prepared. So let me just drag it in. There you go. You have the option of having 1:1 ratio images or 3:4. You can look at the example here and you'll get a better understanding of what kind of images you can upload. The 3:4 images gives a better view or more of a body kind of shot, displaying your product fully. So it's really up to you what kind of images you decide to upload for your product. Now, next we want to set the category. Now let's look for the category here by inputting our product name. This might take a little bit of investigating to understand where our product may be. Sometimes it's a bit of a trial and error. You may think it's in kitchenware, for example, but we can't really find anywhere where this bottle would belong. But here in dinnerware, you see that there are water bottles and accessories. So this is the right category for us. Now, if you are a bit unsure or you're unable to find a good category, you can always click here and try to find your category based on the product name that you insert here. So let's confirm. Now next, we want to look at the specifications. Here we can select the brand name of the bottle and you can look for yours. For this case, I'm just going to put no brand. And of course, you can fill in these other details as well. Country of origin, feature, any warranty, material, and so on. Filling in these details would give a better idea to your customers of the product that you are selling. Next, sales information. Yes, we want to set a price for our product. Be competitive but realistic. So for this case, I'm just going to put 30 ringgit and then add your stock quantity. So suppose we have 10 of them and minimum purchase quantity is usually 1 unless you have a specific requirement for your purchase. And then there are other details that you can add in as well. Now next you would want to add your shipping details. So what is the weight of your product? So for example, let's have 0.4 kilograms. The parcel size for the product that you will be sending. So for this case, let's put 30 by 12 by 12. And of course, this is something that you would need to find out from your suppliers or shipping services. And then we are pretty much done. There are other details that you can fill in as well according to your requirements and needs, but these are the basics. So just click on Save and Publish to list your product on Shopee. And congratulations. There you go. Your first product is now live and ready for buyers to see. That's it. Listing your product on Shopee is simple and straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.